Traders, Anthony here, just looking for some opportunities. I've come across the Aussie CAD. Now this has traded into a key level here, right? It's attacking liquidity under these lows at the moment. It's overextended on the daily time frame, but I'm looking for the pullback, and my setup is going to be, if I grab a Fibonacci, we'll pull it from this swing high down to the swing low. And I'm looking for an entry point on a pullback into my optimal entry zone, and that's the 61.8 fib level. Something like that would do. Now, stops and targets. Let's just have a look and see what we've got left. Alright, I'll just mark up these, these lows here. There'll be one target, and I'd go with this fib level here, or at least go 1 to 2 risk reward. So if an entry is going to be up in here somewhere between the 50 and 618, something like that, stop above the high daily time frame. So there's 1R at this level here, and then we've got a 2R down at this blue level, so that would be my second target right there. So that's target 2, TP. So that's my take on the Aussie Swiss at the moment. Leave a comment, love to hear your thoughts, and with that I hope you have a great day, safe trading, see you in the next one.